HK is a subsidiary to ETG, and then this is one of the partners to HK, and we're talking about 3D systems. Now, I've got Sarah here, and we're going to be talking about the Figure 4 standalone machine. What's this all about?
So the Figure 4 standalone machine is one of 3D Systems' later platforms. It's based on DLP technology, so digital light processing, and the parts of it are very fast and very high quality.
Can you talk me through the technology, how it actually works from the part appears through the water, doesn't it?
Yeah. What happens is there's a resin tray here, and the light is projected up through the resin and secures your part, and then it comes out on the platform up here.
And what parts are you trying to make? Are these prototypes?
They are mostly prototypes, yeah, but the materials are being developed constantly, so they are pushing towards actual production plastics as well. So, yeah.
And is it all plastics? What's the materials that you can use?
It's all plastic type material, yeah, it's a photopolymer, so yeah, they're all plastic types. There are elastomeric, so rubber types, and various different high temperature materials.
Brilliant, thank you, Sarah. Now, Nathan, we're talking about the project MJP 2500. So tell me about the technology here.
The award-winning project MJP 2500 is a jetting technology. It produces plastic injection quality parts without the cost of tooling, and much quicker than producing tooling and going through that process.
And when you say plastic injection, any specials, any exotics in there?
Well, you can see from this part the quality of the surface finish, fine detail and thin wall sections make it the perfect technology for that type of work.
And so with the specials, there's different colours of the plastics in here, because is this all for prototypes?
It's primarily for prototyping and R&D work. You'll have a range of colours from black, grey, white and tan. There are 9 materials. Armour is a material that's ABS, and Proflex is another example of material that's polypropylene. So there's a wide range of materials for all applications.
Anything else to add?
I would say the support material of this machine is very unique. It uses a wax so that we can use steam to get rid of the wax, and it means we maintain very fine features and details which would otherwise be lost in other technologies.
And if any of you get a moment, do come over and have a look, because the detail, I mean, is it it looks like something from Jurassic Park.
Yeah, there's a couple of, there's dinosaur there, and there are a couple of figures that are used in gaming, warfare type games, and they have amazing feature details.
They do look incredible. Thank you so much. Nathan and Sarah, a massive round of applause, please.